definitely gonna order this. भाई बहुत तगड़ा लग रहा है ये, देख, है ना? 1400 रुपये में बस बम लग रहा है. Hi guys, I am Tanya and I am back again with another video, and this time I have come up with shopping with Tanya. So after the ban of Shein, it has become difficult for us to find, trendy items at affordable rates. So this video has been particularly made because of those reasons. So in this video, I will be telling you out some websites and some apps which I think might be useful for you as well. So without wasting further time, let's get into the video. So the first website that I came up with is Urbanic. So I found this app through Instagram ads and also saw some trendy pieces as well. So let's check this app right away. So now checking this app, I see that there's some sale going on which it is written up to 50% off, up to 70% off. And there is in fact a flash sale as well going on in this app. And as I come down, I see jewelry which is starting from rupees 59 and t-shirts which are starting from rupees 390, which is quite good. And it has also written outerwears which are down to 693 rupees, and they are quite amazing. Also, I found this one. Check this. This is quite amazing because if you go and see this on Zara, it might not be available for less than 5,000 rupees, and here it is 1,393, which is quite a steal and it looks amazing. I'm definitely gonna order this. So you can also find some other trending pieces like these, and sweaters here are starting from 495 rupees, which is also amazing. So yes, I would say you definitely need to check this app, or they also have their website. So they also have very trendy pieces just like Shein used to offer you. So definitely try and check out this app. So another website which I came across is mynomad.in, and previous month I ordered a top from them, which is this lilac one, and the quality is just amazing of this clothing item. So as you can see, there is this knot at the bottom of this top. As you pull down the knot, it makes a pattern like this, which you can see in the picture as well. And this top looked so gorgeous with these pants. They also have other trendy pieces like cords and sweatshirts. So I genuinely love their collection, and their outfits are priced at a very reasonable range. So definitely check them out. I'll mention their website in the description box down below. So now the next website which I came across is iloveincense.com. So the thing is, they also have their stores in Sarojini Nagar, in Rajouri Garden, in Kamla Nagar as well. So if you are living near those places, it is amazing for you. But if you are not, then they also have their website and their pieces are amazing. So now let's go through their website. So now as I came on this site, there are tops, there are dresses, there are coordinates, jumpsuits, bottom, rompers, and they also have an option of new in, so you can check out their new collection as well. So I have shopped from Incense from a very long time, and I swear by its quality, it's amazing. So definitely check out their outfits, and here are some of the pieces which I shopped from them. So now the next website which I came across is Ajio.com.
So they have many brands listed on their website, ranging from Gap, Marks and Spencer, Ellen Solly, and Vero Moda, Reebok, Satyapal, W.
So as I am going through this website, I can see that they have almost every other products ranging from tops, t-shirts, jeans to Indian wears, as well as they have some home accessories and footwears and sunglasses and watches. So this is like one-stop destination for all your needs. So now 3 to 4 months back, I found this top on Ajio and found this similar brand as well as the similar top on Amazon as well. And at that time, this same top on Ajio was listed for rupees 600 something, and it was listed on Amazon for 400 something. So there was almost a 200 rupees difference, and the top was from the same brand. I would definitely advise you to check out the similar brands if they are available on some other apps or some other websites as well. But as for now, there was hardly a 3 to 4 rupees difference, so it didn't matter much. But back then, yes, there was a difference of rupees 200 almost. So definitely check out this thing. So last but not the least, I have H&M for you. So to be honest, more than their website, I like to go at their store and shop from them, because I think somewhat the collection differs from their website, and I find more trendy pieces on their store rather than on their website. So it's just my personal preference. And as for the suggestion part, the best time to shop from them is at the time when their Black Friday sale is going on, wherein I believe that you get the same outfits at a lesser rate. So I would definitely suggest you that. So thank you for joining in, guys, and I hope you found these websites quite useful. So let me know in the comment section down below how you liked it. Till then, bye.